In this video I will explain how to use SUMIFS function. It's more advanced version of SUMIF function. If you are not familiar with SUMIF function, please watch my video on that, link is below in description. So, SUMIFS function allows you to have multiple criteria, meaning you can filter, for example, by multiple columns. Let's say we want to find all income by John, but only for product 1. Let's write a function for that. First parameter is range, where we will find values to add up. That is column D. Next we need to write multiple ranges and criteria to check. First criteria is that salesperson's name is John. That is column C. Criteria is that value in column C must equal to John. Next criteria is that product must equal to product 1. Products are in column B. Criteria to check is that product is equal to product 1. So, we added up all values from John for product 1. This was extremely short explanation of SUMIFS function. If you liked this video, please give us a like and subscribe for more tutorials and tips.